Good afternoon, students. Today I'll teach you about past indefinite tense. So before it, I have taught you all the types of present tense. So all the pics also have been sent to you with exercise. So all of you have to make notes of present tense, and then today I'll teach you past indefinite tense. So just know about the identification of this tense and formation of sentences. So identification means how will you identify this tense. So for the identification, first of all know about the helping verb. Helping verb of past indefinite tense is did, and did is used with in negative and interrogative sentence, and in main verb we use second form of the verb. We to mean second form of the verb, and second form of the verb is used only in affirmative sentence. Now affirmative sentence. What should be the structure of making sentence in affirmative sentence? First use subject, then second form of the verb, after that object. For example, I drank water. I is subject here. Drank is second form of the verb. Water is object. Second example is he returned home yesterday. He is subject. Returned is second form of the verb. Home yesterday is object. Now negative sentence. So structure of the formation of negative sentence in past indefinite tense. First use subject, then did, then not, then first form of the verb, after that object. For example, we did not go to see the match. So we is subject here, did is helping verb, not is used here to make negative, and go is first form of the verb. To see the match is object. Now second example, they did not come to your house. They is plural, they is subject, did is helping verb, not is used here for making negative, and come is first form of the verb, to your house is object. Interrogative sentence, and the structure of making interrogative sentence in past indefinite tense structure is did plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object, then question mark. For example, this interrogative sentence begins with helping verb. So first, did he die yesterday? So did is helping verb, he is subject, die is first form of the verb, and yesterday is object. So when did is used, then we use only first form of the verb, and in affirmative sentence we use second form of the verb. Next example, did I take tea? So did is helping verb, I is subject, take is first form of the verb, T is object, then question mark. Now I'll tell you about the interrogative sentence second part, which begins with question word. So interrogative sentence beginning with question word. So structure is, in starting use QW, means question word such as what, where, when, why, etc. Then did as helping verb, subject, then first form of the verb, after that object, then question mark. For example, when did Ram kill Ravan? Question mark. When is question word, did is helping verb, subject is Ram, and kill is first form of verb, Ravan is object. Second sentence, why did you take a bath in cold water? So why is question word, did is helping verb, you is subject here, take is first form of the verb, a bath in cold water is object. Now interrogative negative sentences. So structure of forming the sentence, first use did, then subject, then not, then first form of the verb, after that object, then question mark. First example, did Babar not reach up to Delhi? Question mark. So did is used here as a helping verb, Babar is subject, not is for making negative, and reach is first form of the verb, up to Delhi is object. Next, did we not go to the cinema? Question mark. So did is helping verb, we is subject, not is used for making negative, and go is first form of the verb, and to the cinema is object. Next, interrogative negative sentence beginning with question words. So first use question word, then did, then subject, then not, then first form of the verb, after that object. So in interrogative negative sentence, we use not just after the subject and before main verb. And in only negative sentence, we use not just after the helping verb. So this is noteworthy. Now first example, who did not learn the lesson. Who is question word, did is helping verb, and here who is used as question word and subject both. Not is used here for making the negative. Learn is first form of the verb. The lesson is object. Next example, why did you not come to school yesterday. Why is question word, did is helping verb, and you is subject. Not is for making negative. Come is first form of the verb. To school yesterday is object. Now it's all about past indefinite tense making sentences. Means I have told you about the formation of sentences in past indefinite tense. Now on the basis of this tense, exercise for practice also is being given to you. So in this exercise, fill in the blanks with correct form of verbs given in brackets by using past indefinite tense. तो इस एक्सरसाइज में जो भी सेंटेंस दिए गए, प्रत्येक सेंटेंस में ब्रैकेट में हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स मेन वर्ब्स दी गई हैं, उन मेन वर्ब्स के करेक्ट फॉर्म्स ब्लैंक्स में फिल करने हैं. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज आई डैश लेटर. इन दी ब्रैकेट देयर इज वर्ब राइट, and you have to use correct form of write in this blanks. Next one, he dash his books in bracket sell. Next, we dash the zoo yesterday in bracket visit. Next, how dash he dash the sum question mark in bracket there is verb solve. So this is interrogative sentence. With this question word we have to use helping verb here and after the correct form of verb solve here. Next one, girls dash not pluck flowers. So in this blanks you have to use correct form of the verb pluck here making negative sentence because not is also given here just before the main verb. Next sentence, Mohan dash not lend me 100 rupees. So in the bracket there is verb not lend. So you have to make negative sentence, and in negative sentence we use did plus not plus first form of the verb, and formation is given here in the detail of the sentence. Next one, seventh sentence, dash he again dash the promise. In the bracket there is verb keep. So interrogative, you have to make interrogative sentence by using the correct form of keep here. Next one is next sentence, dash he again dash in bracket not help you last year. So in this sentence last word shows that you have to use past indefinite tense, and there is question mark, and in starting there is a blank, so you have to use correct form of the verb help in this sentence. Now next, dash they dash not accept my proposal. Next one, she dash not wash her uniform. Next, when dash he dash you question mark insult. So it is interrogative sentence beginning with question word, and with question word we use helping verb here, then correct form of the verb insult here. 12th sentence, why dash he dash not help you in the war. So use correct form of the verb help. Next, who dash not in the bracket not come to school yesterday. You have to make negative sentence. So by using past indefinite tense you have to make negative sentence. Next, he never dash tell a lie. So you have to use correct form of the verb tell here. And in the last sentence, Veena never used to dash in bracket there is verb tell a lie. So you have to use the correct form of verb here. So in this way I told you about the past indefinite tense. Now in the past tense I'll tell you about the past continuous tense. So I'll tell you about the past continuous tense. That past continuous tense is used to indicate an action going on at some time in the past. So, for example, we were listening to the radio all evening. So, it was getting darker. So, it is past continuous tense. So, I told you that past continuous tense is used to indicate an action going on at some time in the past. So now know about the sentence formation and identification. So for the identification, helping verb of this tense is was and were, and in main verb we use first form of the verb plus ing, and was helping verb is used with singular number subject, and were helping verb is used with plural number subject. So now affirmative sentence. So what should be the structure of making sentence? So first use subject, then was or were, then first form of the verb plus ing, after that object. For example, he was drinking milk. So he is singular number subject, was is used here with singular number subject he as helping verb, and drinking is first form of the verb plus ing, milk is object. Next one, we were drinking water. So we is plural number subject, and with plural number subject it is told to you we use helping verb were. So with plural number subject we, were is helping verb used, then first form of the verb drink plus ing, drinking, water is object. Negative sentence. So the structure of forming the negative sentence is first use subject, then was or were, then not, then first form of the verb plus ing, after that object. For example, Sunita was not reading the Gita. So Sunita is subject here with singular number subject. Sunita was helping verb is used, not for the making negative sentence. Reading is first form of the verb plus ing, and the Gita is object. The Gita is name of a book here. Next, they were not reading there. So they is plural number subject. Were is used with plural number subject they, and not is for making negative. Reading is first form of the verb plus ing, there is object. Now next, interrogative sentence. So structure of making interrogative sentence, first use was or verb according to the suitability of the subject. If subject is singular number, then we use was. If subject is plural number, then use were. So for example, was he making a noise? So he is singular number subject, was helping verb is used with singular number subject he, making is first form of the verb plus ing, and television is object. Now next, in interrogative sentence, it has been told to you there are two types of interrogative sentence, beginning with helping verb and beginning with question word. So now interrogative sentence beginning with question word. So structure of making sentence, first use question word, QW means question word, then helping verb was or were according to the subject, then first form of the verb plus ing, after that object, then question mark. For example, why were they fighting? Question mark. Second sentence, why was she abusing you? So in this sentence, why is used as question word, was is used as helping verb, and subject as a subject she is used, and abusing is first form of the verb plus ing, and you is object here. Now interrogative negative sentences. So formation of structure of forming interrogative negative sentence here. First use was or were, then subject, then not, then first form of the verb plus ing, after that object, then question mark. For example, was he not making mischief? So was is used here as helping verb, he is used as singular number subject, not is used for making negative, making is first form of the verb plus ing, and mischief is object. Next one, were we not returning home? So were is used here with plural number subject we, not is for the making negative sentence. Returning is return plus ing, first form of return, first form of the verb return plus ing, returning. Object is home here. Now second type of interrogative negative sentence, which begins with question word. So structure of making interrogative negative sentence: first use question word, then helping verb was or were, then subject, then not, then first form of the verb plus ing, after that object, then question mark. For example, why was mother not kneading the flour? So why is used here as question word, was is used here as helping verb, subject, mother is used here as subject, and not is for making negative. Kneading is need plus need, first form of the verb plus ing, kneading the flour is object. Next, who was not playing there? So who is used here as a question word and subject both. Was is used here as helping verb, not is for making negative, playing is first form of the verb plus ing, and there is used here as an object. So that's all about past continuous tense, formation of sentences in past continuous tense. Now I'll tell you about the exercise. So exercise for practice is given to you here also. So in this exercise, fill in the blanks with correct form of verbs by using past continuous tense. So in past continuous tense, first in this exercise, first sentence is we dash, in bracket there is verb shiver with cold. So you have to use correct form of verb shiver by using past continuous tense. So as with plural number subject we use were, then first form of shiver plus ing you have to use in this blanks. So next sentence is child dash, in bracket there is cry bitterly. Next one, she dash comb her hair. So you have to use correct form of verb comb here in this blanks. The gardener dash not pluck, in bracket flower in the garden. So you have to use correct form of the verb pluck, and you have to make negative sentence. Next one, they dash, in the bracket not row the boat. Next one, why dash they dash make fun of the old man. So with why question word, use here helping verb which is suitable with the subject they, then use correct form of the verb fun here, make fun here. Next seventh sentence, dash ladies dash, in the bracket there is draw water from the well. Interrogative, mark of interrogation. It means you have to make interrogative sentence by using the correct form of the verb draw here. So ladies is plural number subject, with plural number subject which helping verb is used from was and were. So you have to use here, and then you have to use the correct form of the verb draw here with helping verb were. Next, dash the prices dash not increasing, question mark. So you have to make interrogative negative sentence. Next, dash the servant dash not prepare, in the bracket tea, question mark. So you have to make interrogative negative sentence. Next one, dash he dash, in the bracket there is verb help me, question mark. So make interrogative sentence. Next one, girls dash, in the bracket there is verb go to the picnic. Next one, dash the teachers dash, in bracket there is verb call the rolls, question mark. So make interrogative sentence here. Next one, birds dash not fly. So you have to make negative sentence here because there is not put here before the verb fly. So you have to make negative sentence. Next one, we dash in the river, in the bracket there is verb swim. So use correct form of the verb swim. Last one is I dash my lesson, in bracket there is verb learn. So this is all about the past indefinite tense and also past continuous tense. So all of you have to make notes on the basis of these two tenses.